Hello guys, welcome back to Donut Delicacy by Shaida Master. Today we are going to make Palak Paneer, but in my way. I'm going to make dosas out of palak and top them with paneer. It's going to be a very healthy option for your breakfast, lunch or dinner. So stay tuned till the end to know more. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.
You're watching Shaida's Master Recipes.
To make these dosa, we'll start by chopping off our star ingredient, that is spinach or palak. These dosas are so delicious along with being healthy. It's a delicious way of adding leafy vegetables in your daily diet. Then take 6 eggs and 1 cup of oats and add it all into a grinder. If you're a vegetarian or if you want to make a vegetarian version of this dosas, add 1 cup of besan instead of 6 eggs and you will be good to go. Add spinach in parts if you can't fit all of it in one jar, and while grinding add salt and pepper according to your taste. Your batter should look something like this. This quantity of batter will make up to 10 dosas. If you want less, add everything in half. Now take a non-stick pan, grease it if you want, and then spread the batter across it like you would do it for a dosa. Now let the dosa cook for few minutes, and once the top side of it is dry, grease it with ghee and then flip it. Spinach is considered one of the most powerful superfood because it's loaded with nutrients and low calories, and it benefits your skin and hair. Some of the most powerful health benefit is that it stabilizes your blood glucose level and prevents you from developing cancer. And on top of it, it's very good for your bone health. Now flip it again and then spread needful amount of Szechuan on one half of the dosa and top lots of shredded paneer on the other side of the dosa. You can play around with these toppings by adding cheese along with paneer or cheese alone to make this dosa even tastier. Now fold the dosa in a half and serve it with chutney, Szechuan or anything else of your choice. That's it, your palak paneer in my way is ready to eat. Do try out this recipe by yourself and let me know how it turned out for you, and tag us at Donut Delicacy at Instagram and share pictures, and let me know in the comment section what other videos you'd like to see next, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel by clicking over here and watch these other videos to make your cooking and baking experience better.